The ocean is a vast, uncharted frontier, filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered. From the depths of the seas to hidden underwater structures, exploration is more advanced than ever. With cutting-edge technology, we can now reach places human divers cannot, unlocking the secrets of the deep. Introducing Potential Robotic Solutions Underwater ROV, a state-of-the-art remotely operated vehicle designed for precision, efficiency, and deep-sea exploration. With seamless maneuverability, real-time data collection, and high-definition imaging, this ROV is the perfect tool for scientific research, industrial inspections, and underwater surveys. The ROV ensures accuracy and control by the sensors, maintaining precise positioning, achieving stable navigation, generating detailed underwater maps, and enabling real-time monitoring and seamless operation. Built for versatility, this ROV is used in dam inspections, oceanographic surveys, ship hull inspections, and search and rescue operations. Its robust design ensures top performance in the most challenging underwater environments. Take your underwater exploration to the next level. With cutting-edge technology and robust design, Potential Robotic Solutions ROV is the key to unlocking the depths. Dive deeper, explore further, and discover more today.